Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with LENOVO V15. To pair your Bluetooth device with your Lenovo laptop, first you have to enable Bluetooth on your computer. Now to do that, open the control panel. To open the control panel, click these three icons on your taskbar. Then turn on Bluetooth by clicking it and making it turn a blue color. Then click the arrow icon next to Bluetooth, and at this point you have to put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode. I cannot tell you exactly how to do that, but basically what you have to do is make your Bluetooth device's light start throbbing quickly, or maybe not throbbing, but blinking rapidly like this. And then once you do that, click your device on the devices list, and once you click on it, the device will be connected. Now you can disconnect from it if you click this device once again and select disconnect. And if you want to unpair this device completely, you can go to all devices or more Bluetooth settings right here, and then find your device here, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the device, select remove this device, and this will unpair this device from your computer. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.